Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. Here is another recording and it is the qualification for a hit. I found both an OF as well as CW. This is the added exact match to the user search. English TAAC. I know you guys can hear a rooster. I do apologize for that background noise, but let's move on with the video for today. Again, please do not forget to subscribe to our tutorial channel. Hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. Let's move on to this. This one should be an easy hit app. We just have to confirm if the user search term matches the ad. I'll show you the thought process. There is no guideline, but this one should be easy. I think there's around 300 hits. Yeah, 300 hits available as of this recording. So let's move on. So I want order Black Lab Christmas cards. At Target. I'm gonna go with not exact here. Colorectal screening, home cancer screening. I'm gonna go with one here. Okay, we got one mistake. 15 hits to finish. Bill.com. This is definitely the right one. I'm gonna go with one here. Amy Lou's chicken sausage. Sharp chicken sausage. Okay, I'm gonna go with one here as well. Again, we got one mistake. Double beds. I'm gonna go with two here. Cashmere umber sweater. I'm gonna go with two here. Best washing machines. I'm gonna go with two here as well. Educare preschool. I think that's educate preschool. I'm gonna go with number two here. Marcus. I'm gonna go with number two here as well. FedEx. I'm gonna go with number two here. Planety weight loss. Planety official site. I'm gonna go with number two here. Okay, two mistakes, guys. Again, 15 hits to finish. Daycares in Novi, Michigan. I'm gonna go with one here. Garmin Golf GPS devices. Top quality Golf Garmin GPS. Great bargains, best price. Garmin Golf GPS. Top quality Golf Garmin GPS. I'm gonna go with one here. It's taking a while to submit. I'm not sure if I still have internet, but I got it right. BY store, BY officially licensed everything. I think I'm gonna go with number two. I'm not sure. Okay, we got it right. Apartments for rent, Peoria, Illinois. I'm gonna go with one here. Results are currently being evaluated. I do not doubt we passed this qualification. We got two mistakes out of 15 hits that we answered. Again, this one pays not too much. I think it's around 0.001 as of this recording. Oh no, it's 0.01 cents. Not bad at all. I mean, if the market is dry, you have an option to work on this. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video tutorial. Again, my name is Ghost, and we do have a Facebook group called CLICKWORKER Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. This one is equivalent page judgment. Working on this one. Well, anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day, and see you on the next upload. Bye for now.